Hello student, welcome to Jafri and Fatima English Medium School, Mahua. Today we are going to learn, discuss of the subject mathematics, knowing our numbers. Class Standard 6, exercise number 1.2, questions and its solutions. In last session, we completed exercise number 1.1. Let's we do little physical exercise before starting today's session. Good. Okay, let's begin our today's session. Here is some information for this exercise. Students, I think so. You all are having a compass box. Yes, all are having. Okay, some are not having. But in the compass box, one very good instrument is with you. That is, I am drawing. You can just tell me what is the shape of this instrument and where do you use these things. Here one strip of plastic is there. Some cut marks and numbers are written. On the other sides, the numbers are written little far away. Yes. That's the scale. Very good, student. Scale, small plastic scale. Yes, student, you are having the wooden scale. Very good. Oh, here is the metal scale. Yes, steel. Good. Use it for drawing only, students. Don't use for to other purpose. Okay, students, look at here. This is very useful to draw a line. On the one side, the numbers are written up to 15. Up to 15. And on other side, up to 6 it is written. Why it is written like this way? Because 0 to 15 is showing the centimeter, and on other side it is shown centimeter. Okay, student. Now see what is the relation between centimeter, meter, kilometer. They are the units of measuring distance. The relation is different one. So 1 centimeter also divided into small cuts. It is called the millimeter. So between these two numbers, how many cuts are there? Check your scale and tell me. Yes, 10 cuts are there. Yes. So we can write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Is it student here written? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. When you are going to purchase any cloth, then you will have to say, give me 1 meter of cloth or 2 meter of cloth. So this meter also having some relation with centimeter. Yes. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Or you can write in place of centimeter, millimeter also. So in short, centimeters are written like this way, cm, and millimeters are written as mm. Here 100 centimeter, which converts into millimeter, means multiply by 10. So 100 multiplied by 10, which gives you a 1000. Understood? This is also second relation. Okay. Whenever you are moving from one place to another place, you will find on the roadside a milestone showing a kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Yes, student, this is the 1000 meter. 1 kilometer means thousands meter. Same way we are going in the vegetable market or for provision store, we should have to purchase things in form of kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Keep it in your mind. Next thing, suppose you are going to purchase a petrol, milk, liquid items which gives in liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Yes, student. Now last but not least, rupees. Everyone like this thing. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. You are having a 50 paise plus 50 paise. How much total is 100? So that 2 points of 50 paise makes a 1 rupees. Isn't it? Okay, very nice. Let's begin our today's exercise 1.2, question number 1. See student, read the question carefully. I number of times told you, read the question more than 2 times. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. Do you know what is an exhibition? Yes, demonstration, showing and selling the books. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and the final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Student, what we have to do for this one? We should have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Yes? Subtraction? Sorry. Try it again. Subtraction means bigger number, smaller number. Here they ask us total. Total when they ask, we should have to add. So adding 4 number is not only answer. See, this question is a practical problem. Practical problem needs a statement. Statement means we should have tried from the question itself in your own words. Not compulsory what I am writing here or whatever given in book. You can make it in your sense, your language. See, addition you are knowing very well. So first example is that I will show you how to add the numbers because so many students are making simple mistake. In our these questions, all numbers are have 4 digits. So there is no chance to make any mistakes. But whenever the numbers are less or more, you are making a mistake. Not all. Let's check how to do add these numbers. So I am having 1094 plus 1812. Yes, student. Third one. Yes, please tell me. 2050. Very good. Now you tell me one more. 2751. Very good. Here is your question. There are 4 numbers and 3 plus sign. If you forgot to put plus sign, that is also observed and sometimes the marks will be cut. Now from where we have to start addition? Yes, student, this is 1's place, 10's place, 100 place and 1000 place. So don't start from 1000 place. Start from the 1's place. That means this one. Okay. So 4 plus 2, yes, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So look at here students, 7. Now come to the 10th place. This is our 10th place student. 10th place is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Keep it in your mind, 20. Where we have to put 20? Downside. So here we are putting 20. 20, 0 is here and 2 is the carryover. 2 is the carryover. Understood? Yes. Now 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So 17, 7, 1 place is 7 is here and 1 is the carryover. Okay student, look at here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Yes, your answer is right. Now what the answer we got it here? Before showing our final answer, we can check it. That's a 7,707. Let's check our answer is right or wrong. Yes, my answer is right. Your also may be right. And here, will you write the statement like this way? Number of tickets sold on first day, number of tickets sold in second day, number of tickets on third day, number of tickets sold on fourth day. Easy or hard? Easy, which gives you a marks. Okay, at last you should have to show total number of tickets sold. Clear? If you want to make one more statement, then you can make it. Therefore, 7,707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days. Clear? Shall we move for the question number 2? Will you write yourself this one? Yes, that's the spirit. Good. Now here is the question number 2. See student, do you know cricket? Yes, cricket, everywhere cricket. Cricket is a very good game for our physical exercise as well as mental exercise also. There is a question, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. In question, the name of the player is Shekhar. He has so far scored 6,980 runs. How many runs he prepared? Yes, he made 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete his wishes 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Okay, once again you read the question and try to understand what you have to do. Very good. Subtraction, minus. And what the rule of minus, subtraction? There are two numbers, one is small number and one is big number. What you have to do first? Yes, big number you have to write first. So here our big number is 10,000. You can write as 10,000 first and then after minus 6,980. Yes student, be careful. A 10,000 has how many digits? Yes, there are 5 digits student. And 6,980, 4 digit only. So subtraction sign and write from the right side 0, 8, 9, 6. Don't start from 1. Okay student? There is nothing, that means you have to put 0 here. Now here also 5 digit and first number also are having 5 digits. If you are putting 0 before a number, there is no change of the number. Okay, now look at here, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8 possible? No. So this 0 will move to the here, in this 0. In the 100 place, 100 place is also 0. Now this 100s will move to the 1000 place, 1000 is also 0. So now this thousands will move to the 10,000 place. Yes, there is a 1. So this one will gives you a, suppose by mistake I did that things. Once again I will show you. So don't worry students, 6980. Actually I want to show this all questions with different color. So now I change my color. I can cut this and put it here 0. Now on the 1000 place I can write 10, because we are knowing, suppose you have 10 rupees note and you want 1 rupee coin. How many coin do you get? Yes, 10 coins. Understood? Or if you have a 100 rupee note, you want to make it is 10 rupees note. How many notes you will get it? 10. So that's why this 10 will come to the 1000 place. Now this 1000 place gives 1000 to previous one. So out of 10 minus 1, that means it is having 9 only now. Now this having now 10. Yes, 10 hundreds are there. So out of 10 hundred, 100 gives to the 10th place. That means here is the 9. And then 10th place having the 10. Yes. Now it is possible 10 minus 8 will gives you a 2. 9 minus 9 will give you a 0. 9 minus 6 will gives you a 3. And 0 minus 0 is always 0. So here is your answer. 3020 more runs Shikhar has to require for completing his wish. Is it? Yes, see, our answer is right. Therefore, we can write Shikhar needs 3020 more runs to complete his wish to score 10,000 runs. Shall we move for the third question, students? Yes, very good. See, here is our third question of exercise 1.2 standard 6. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. Do you know what is the election, students? Election का मतलब? Yes. Just now we had election, and number of candidates were there, and after the when result declared, they said this much vote got by this candidate and this much vote got by this candidate. And his nearest rival secured, rival means उसका नजदीक वाला बेटा student, 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? See, what they ask us, how many more votes got a successful candidate? What we have to do, student? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Yes, subtraction. In subtraction, what you have to write first? Yes, bigger number we have to write first. So what is our bigger number, student? 5,77,500. Very good, student. How many numbers we have to subtract? 3,48,700. Ones, hundred ones, tens, hundred tens. Now check the answer. I will change the color of pen. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7 possible? Sorry. So we can cut it. Here is the 7 not but now 6, and here is the 10. And sometimes some students are writing 15 also, no problem, because 5 is the downside. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 7, that means gives you a 8. 6 minus 8 is possible? No. What we should have to do? Yes, cut it this one. Now this becomes 6 and 10 is here. That means 10 means 16. Sometimes you can write like this, so no problem, students. Here the both meanings are same. If you write 10 up and then plus it and then do like this way. So 16 minus 8 is possible. Yes, you are right. That's 8 only. Oh, very fast. 6 minus 4 is 2. Sure. Okay, I will write it 2. Oh, what about the 5 minus 3? Yes, 2. So here is the answer. Do you know what is the comma? In previous exercise we did these things. Put the comma. It is very easy to read out the number. 2,28,800. Otherwise very difficult to read out the big number. Huh, student? Put the comma. Okay, let's check our answer is right or wrong. Yes, our answer is right. 2,28,800 is the correct answer. Who got this more watts? Successful candidate got more watts. Understood? Make your sentence. Once again I remind you. Sentence अपने हिसाब से बनाने का है student. Not compulsory to write this on this only. Don't stick it on that one. Yes. Let's start for the fourth question. Question 4 is here. It's very interesting question. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees. This is the sign of rupees, student. By mistake, there is not printing coming. This is the sign of rupees. You are knowing that this is the sign of rupees. So before number there is a rupees sign. Be careful. Okay. Now look at here. This much amount in the first week of the June, and books worth this much he sold, and second week of the June this much book of the rupees is sold. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Yes, 2 weeks together means addition. In which week was the greater sale and by how much? Three questions together. Easy, student, don't worry. We will solve it fast. First of all, addition. Addition is now very easy for you. See, the question is zooming. Statement you can write yourself. Can you see easily? Yes, very good. And start from ones place. This is my ones place. This is my 10 place. This is my 100 place. Then after 1,000, 10,000, etc. So we can start from our ones place. One place means this one. 1 plus 8. What is the answer? 9. Now 10 place. 9 plus 6. What is the answer? 15. 15 5 is here. 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. Yes, very fast, student. 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 5, 6. Yes, very nice. 8 plus 0, yes, you are right, student. 8. Now 4 plus 2, or 2 plus 4, both are same answer, 6. Your answer is here. Very hard or very easy? Very easy. Okay, now look at here. What the second? Greater. Compare two numbers. You are having two numbers. One is this one. Second one is this one. Two numbers are there, student. What you have to compare? Yes, first of all check both digits. Both are having six digits. So it is very difficult to check out. Check the first number. Here is 4 and here is 2. Who is bigger? Yes, you are right, my dear students. 4 is bigger than 2. So we can put the greater than sign on this direction. Therefore, the sale of second week is greater than the sale of first week. Because 4 lakhs sold in second week. Now, we have to find how much. How much means? Suppose you two friends are there. One is having 100 rupees and one is having the 30 rupees. How much more money having the first student more? What you will do? Addition. One has a 100 rupees. Second student has a 30 rupees. How much more money have a first student? What you will do? Plus? No, wrong. What you do? Multiply. Sorry, Yes, yes, you are right. Minus you have to do. So that will be the answer 70. Isn't it? Or when you plus this both number, you have 100. That means you both are equal. Isn't it? Good. Now same way here in our example, we should have to subtract 4 lakh 768 minus 2 lakh 85,891. Very simple. Once again, I show you how to do this one. 8 minus 1, that's a 7. 6 minus 9, not possible. Cut it. Here is the 6, here is the 16. 16 minus 9, it's a 7. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Now here 16 minus that means 8. Now here is the 9, here is also 9, here is the 3. Yes, the final answer is here 1,14,877 more rupees sold in second week of the June. Understood? Any doubt? No. So students, there are so number of more questions are there. We can study, we can learn in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Be safe. Have a good day.